Hello students, welcome to your English class. In this class, today we are going to start a new lesson from your grammar section, that is transitive and intransitive verb. So for that one, we are going to go to the next slide. So here we will know, before entering this chapter, that is origin of transitive and intransitive verb, from where the transitive and intransitive verb have come. So you should have a clear idea about it. So that's why I have given a chart, so try to follow that one. First one, if we will divide the verb, then it will be divided into two parts. As you know all, first part will be principal or main verb, and next part will be auxiliary or helping verb. Okay, now again that principal or main verb will be divided into two, that is finite verb and infinite verb. Finite means the verb which can change its form according to number, person and tense is called finite verb, and infinite or non-finite means the verb which will not change its form according to number, person and tense. Now the case is that transitive and intransitive verb, they have come from the verb finite, because finite verb is divided into two parts, transitive and intransitive. Now let's go for the elaborate description about transitive and intransitive. So first one, transitive verb. What is transitive verbs? Now the verbs which carry the action of a subject, that means doer, to an object, that is receiver. Okay, now if you'll discuss it with example, it will be clear to you. Just as he sent her a letter. Now he here doer, sent here the verb, her indirect object, a letter direct object. Now suppose it is written that transitive verbs always answer the question what? First one, what, in case of non-living object. Okay, and next one, whom, means in case of human being only. Now we may put that these two words to form a question. Just as first one, what did he send to her? Now are we getting answer? Yes, that is a letter. In case of non-living object, so it is direct object. Next one, if we will ask another question, whom did he send a letter to? So answer you are getting, that is her. So in case of living being, you may ask question with whom. So here you are getting answer her. So her is also an object. Next one. So we may conclude that a transitive verb is one that is used with an object, and mind it, the object may be a noun, a pronoun, or sometime nominal phrase or noun phrase. Okay, so we may conclude that transitive verbs are those which carry the action of a subject to an object. That means transitive verb means verbs with object. Is it clear? Next one, here intransitive verbs. What are the intransitive verbs? A verb that denotes an action which does not pass on to any object. Okay, that is called intransitive verb. Now if you will explain it with example, the girl is dancing. Now the girl is dancing, here it will be clear the verb is dancing, which is a complete action by itself and does not require any object to receive. Okay, now next example, they laughed uncontrollably. Now the case is that what did they laugh? If we will put question with what, then I think you are not getting answer, so no answer. Next question, whom did they laugh? That is a condition actually, so here is also no other answer you are getting. So note, transitive verbs can never answer the question by asking what or whom. Okay, so that's why they have been called intransitive verbs. Next one. Now in that, here most verbs can be used both transitively and intransitively. Okay, maximum. So we are taking some of the examples like return, break, speak, ring, open, stop, etc. Now if you'll explain it, example, just as first one, I have taken one example. The driver stopped the car. Here stop the verb I have used. Now first one, I have used a driver stop the car. Next one, the same verb I have used in another way, that is the car stopped suddenly. Now we'll explain these two lines. In the first sentence, the verb stopped has been used transitively. Why? The reason because what did the driver stop? We may ask question using what? Then answer you are getting the car. So that means the car is the object. If the car is the object, so car is the receiver of the action. Okay? So we may tell the transitive verb here stopped. Next one, however, the same verb stopped has been used intransitively. Okay, in the second sentence, here the action stopped does not pass on to any object. Okay, so here it is used as intransitively. What is it? That stopped verb. Okay, I hope you have understood well. Keep learning. Thank you. Have a good day.